Hello everyone, back again. This video will help you out for your project number 5. So, on this video we're trying to find the chord distance. If you remember the previous video, the chord distance or the chordal distance is the distance between hole to hole on a circular pattern. So how we find it is, if you remember the first video, what I told you first is take 360 and divide it by the number of holes you have. And that gives it our degrees. And then the next on this video is we're going to take that degrees and divide it by 2. What I mean by this is going to be, degrees is 360 divided by the holes. Then you can divide that by 2. So for this first one, this is a 4 hole. 4 holes. This is going to be a 5 holes, 6 holes, and 7 holes. So for this first one, for this 4 hole, I took 360 divided by 4. If I take 360 divided by 4, that gives me 90. And of course, 90 divided by 2, according to our formula, gives me 45. And for this one, 360 divided by 5 gives me 72. 72 divided by 2 gives me 36. And of course, 360 divided by 6, which gives me 60. 60 divided by 2 gives me 30. And the last one's going to be 360 divided by 7, which it gives me approximately 51.43, which when I divide this by 2 gives me 25.715. Okay? So I'm going to take these numbers and take the sine function. Now, if you remember back on the previous lesson that I worked with, how to find that, if you have a TI calculator like this, all I'm going to do is take the sine, the sine 45, let me close that parentheses. And I got 2 square root of 2, which I'm going to figure that out with. Change that fraction to decimals, it's going to be 0.707. And that's what I got right here. And I'm going to do the same thing for the next one. Sine of 36. Which gives me 0.5877, or I'm going to round off to 0.588. On the next one, sine of 30. I'm going to do sine of 30. Close it off. 1/2. 1 over 2, or just 1/2. Then do the last one, sine of 25.715. Close that off. 0.4338 or 0.434. Okay, that's my second step that I have to do to find this chord distance. Stop it right there, and I'm going to show you the last part, how to find the chordal distance or the length between hole to hole on a circular pattern.